Hey fam, welcome back. So in today's video we have a very exciting unboxing, I believe. I'm excited. I don't know if y'all excited. I don't know, but I'm excited. I have my very first ever Beautylish Jeffree Star Lucky Bag. If they didn't have restrictions, I would have gotten the regular Lucky Bag as well as the Jeffree Star Lucky Bag, but you could only pick one. So I'm like, I have a lot of stuff. So I was like, I just feel like I'm gonna have a better chance of not getting a duplicate if I get the Jeffree Star box, because I don't have a ton of things by his brand, than I would if I got the Beautylish Lucky Bag. We'll see. I don't know what was in the Lucky Bag this year. I don't even know what's in my Jeffree Star Lucky Bag because I'm waiting to unbox it with you guys. If you're interested in seeing what I got in my Jeffree Star Lucky Bag, go ahead and stay tuned because we're gonna get into it right now. Here she is. We have a little tag. Oh my god. Okay, so we have a little tag here. And it says, Lucky Bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create one of our own. The crane on this year's Lucky Bag symbolizes longevity and good luck. We hope that the surprises inside make your 2020 a little bit more lucky. Yay. So this is pretty cool. All right, so I have not even taken the sticker off or anything. We're gonna do it all together. I didn't want to rip the paper. Didn't want to. Whoop. Okay. Okay. So we got lift off here. So inside we have tissue paper, and then we have products. So I think. Okay. So most of our stuff is in here, but at the bottom we also have these little straws. So let's get this big boy out of here. Oh, heavens. Okay, so this is pretty exciting to me. I actually was in the market to buy, not necessarily his straws, but to get some reusable straws. Just because it's something small we can do that can make a big difference, especially for little sea turtles. So, inside we do have 4 straws. We have 3 little bendy straws, 1 straight straw, and then we have this little scrubber. Scrub. So I am really excited about these. I do think they'll come in handy. Helps to make a better impact on the environment. Now for the makeup products. Oh goodness. Okay, things are falling. So the first thing I see is a liquid frost. I have never tried Jeffree Star's highlighters at all or his liquid frost. This is in the shade Expensive, and I have not seen this in anybody else's Lucky Bags yet. So I'm really excited. I saw Goddess, I saw some kind of princess one, but this is obviously this is from their Blue Blood collection. It's a really pretty like goldy champagne color. Let's see what it looks like on my skin. Pulling up our sleeves for this one. There is like a little pumpy thing at the top. It's a little eyedropper. This, and I'm gonna do, whoa, one giant blob on my hand. It is a gold color. It looks like it's got a green shift, which is really cool. Let's just swatch it out. So this is what it looks like swatched. That is gorgeous. You can get this. There we go. So you guys see that green shift? That is so neat. I'm actually really excited about this. My creative juices have been flowing recently, especially with like different colors and stuff. So I think that'll be really fun to play with. It's got like green glitter in it. I'm really excited about this one. Super excited. Let's see what we have next. Whoa. So next we have a Jeffree Star. This is a velour liquid lip liner, and it's in the shade Anna Nicole. So this is a red shade. I actually have a Jeffree Star liquid lipstick from the Shane Dawson collection that's a really pretty red. But I think this will go really nicely with, because it's kind of like an orangier red than like a blue toned red. And this is more of like an orangier red lip liner. It's got really pretty packaging. It's got this cool little like a little crown or something at the top. And it is a, before we were so rudely interrupted by my lack of space on my camera card, we were talking about the Anna Nicole Velour Lip Liner by Jeffree Star. This is like a pretty red orange color. I think this will be really beautiful with not only his red lipstick that I have that's kind of more of a red orange, but also with other products in my collection that I have that are a little bit more on this kind of citrusy note. And I think that'll be really, really pretty. So our next product is this 5-year anniversary edition liquid lipstick set. This has the colors Drug Lord, Doll Parts, Androgyny, Mistletoe, and Ho Ho Ho. And this is really exciting. I actually have a few of his liquid lipsticks and they do work really well. They stayed on all day at work, even through like eating and stuff, and started to fade like towards the end of the day, but I really got so much longevity out of his products. So the first one is a pure white. This is in the shade Drug Lord. And this would be really pretty either as if you wanted to do something on your eyes, or if you wanted to lighten another color or do an ombre effect, you could do that. And this color is straight up white. It is a white liquid liner. You can also use his products on the eyes. They are eye safe. So then the next color is a pinkier color. This is in the shade Doll Parts. So if we swatch this one, it is like a really pretty cool tone pink. It's a little bit more like on the purpley pink side. Really beautiful. Then we have Androgyny. Is another beautiful kind of mauvey nude pink color. Like a rosy pink. Oh, that's so pretty. It's like a really deep wine shade. Then some of you may shirk at this green one, but I'm actually really excited because I've been really super into like more fun, like colorful lip colors recently. It's been really inspiring me and inspiring my eye looks. It's just been fun to play. So this is in the shade Mistletoe. And that is a true green. It is green green. So I think that'd be really pretty. Like I said, you could either do something on the eyes or on the lips. I'm of course gonna use these on my lips. I'll probably plan a fun green look around this liquid lipstick. And then last we have Ho Ho Ho, which is a beautiful red. And, oh, it's a little chunky. Little chunky. Whoa. So this formula seems a little bit different than the other ones. It's a little thicker, a little creamier, and I'm really excited to try all of these on my lips. Okay, so I look like I've been like beat up now, but you know, we'll wash our hands in a little bit. So what I was really excited about this year for the Jeffree Star Lucky Bag was that it was going to include a palette. I only have 2 Jeffree Star palettes. I have the Conspiracy palette and I have the Mini too. I just kind of consider them like one big palette. I kind of use them in conjunction with one another. I have the Blue Blood palette and that is it. So I'm like, if they send me a palette, more likely than not, I'm not going to have it. But they did send the Blue Blood palette, which I already own right here. So this video is going to include a giveaway for one of you. All you have to do to let me know that you want to be entered in the giveaway is to be subscribed to my channel. You want to leave the hashtag joysbeautyjawns in the comments below so that I know that you want to participate and you'd like to be in the running to be selected to receive this. And leave me either your email or your Instagram handle with your comment with that hashtag so that I know how to get in contact with you. So again, the rules: you have to be subscribed to my channel, leave the hashtag joysbeautyjawns in the comment below so that I know that you want to be considered for the giveaway, and you want to leave me either your email or your Instagram handle so I can contact you if you win. So today is the 19th. So what I'm gonna do for Valentine's Day, so by Valentine's Day, I will announce the winner of this giveaway and who will be the recipient of the Blue Blood palette. So again, if you want to be considered for this giveaway, I'll have all the rules in the description box. You guys know what to do. So we'll take a look at my palette so that I don't disturb that palette. Okay, so this is my used Blue Blood palette. And I do have a video on this where I created a look. It was a long time ago in a galaxy far, far away, but I do have that up on my channel. And I'll go ahead and do some swatches for you guys on my arm. So this is the palette swatched. These are all one swipe swatches with the exception of this color right here, which is Wealthy. And because it's so close to my skin tone, I did swipe this a couple times to kind of build it up so you guys could see it, but everything else was one swipe. So even though it's a blue palette, there is definitely some variety and diversity in here that you can create a numerous amount of looks. You've got everything from mint greens to blues, purples, and some neutral colors to play with. So again, this is the palette. I hope you guys are excited for this giveaway. Let me know in the comments down below if you'd like to participate. I hope this will be fun for one of you. So anyway, I love you guys. Until the next video, bye.